My project title is Miss Loretta's Ode to the Black Candy Lady, and the work really talks about Black candy ladies who were cornerstones of their community. They invested in their communities, they protected the children in their communities, they served candy and food out of their house, and I'm working through our relationship with food and with candy and with passed down recipes along with archival materials to show how vast candy ladies were as a site of knowledge production and communal care. A lot of my art practice stems from research and then material studies. And so for Miss Loretta's Ode to the Black Candy Lady, I'm doing interviews with folks who knew Loretta and learning what was in Loretta's kitchen, what were the scents, the smells, walking through that. I also took a course at the university on the biopolitics of food, so really getting into the nitty-gritty on food narratives. And that allowed me to expand the way that I think about food, and I think about what is food, how are we feeling our bodies, how has food both co-opted our lives but then also helped it, and then thinking through brands has also been something really interesting to me. One of the brands that I'm most interested and fascinated by is Kool-Aid, and that's because my grandma was a Cool Cup lady, and how Kool-Aid through generations has become a staple in households, or Crisco, how that has become a staple in Black households. So the way that I'd like audience members to interact with the work ideally is to bring pop cans into the space and then trade those pop cans with the thought of Miss Loretta, right? So there will be food that the audience can interact with. They can put their pop cans in a space, grab food, and then sit and commune in Miss Loretta's home. And so parts of it that I'd like the audience to take away is that care that Miss Loretta gave her community. You see Miss Loretta's legacy as this thought on how I, Michaela Nichelle, is incorporating Loretta's ideas of care and candy lady, and then how Loretta would have done it herself, or how she did do it.